Hi guys, today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first to just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on general here, just click on it. You come to next zip here, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, click here on keyboard, just click on it. Then you come to next zip here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down here, come here to smart station here, click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.